Now next topic, put less than, greater than or equal to sign. Here different signs are there. Less than, greater than or equal to. Equal to means both the side equal number. If here 5% are there and here also 5%, so both the side equal number. Now here less than and greater than. I give you one hint how to learn about these two symbol. So you know Gujarati kakko, right? So here this one is less than. For that we write law, that means less than. And this one is greater than, greater, right? So we write go. And for that here greater than. Okay, so less than, greater than. Now see what the difference is there. If I say law for less than, so this face, see this curve open on this side, right? This curve open on this side, and this two line also open on that side. So both the side are open on this way, so that means both are same. Okay, so that is less than. And these two, this mouth, this two line also open on this side, and this curve line also opening this side. So both the open this side, so that means this one is the curve, so it is greater than. Okay, clear this? Law for less than and go for greater than. Both the face on this way, here both the face on this way. Okay, so now explain about that topic. Put the sign between two numbers like a less than, greater than or equal to. Now here I am giving one example. If here 200 and here another number is 300. 200 and 300. So which one is the bigger number? Which one is the bigger number? First of all, you have to see 100 place both the side. Here both are 0, so easy. On 100 place here 2 and here 3. So which one is the big number? 3. So right here, whichever number is this big, that side we have to draw the sign. Now see, 200 less than 300. That means 200 is less than this number. Okay, next example, if I am going to write here 473 and here also 473. So both the side, both number are equal. 473, here again 473. So both numbers are equal, so we put the sign equals to. Okay, this one is the sign of equal. That means exactly both numbers are same. One more example, 327 and here 190. Now see, it's very easy to compare. Here 327. First of all, we have to see 100 place value. So 300 and this one is the 100. So 300 and 100, which one is the bigger number? 300. So put the sign on bigger number. So here 327 greater than 190. That means this number is greater than this number. Okay? 327 is greater than this number. Means 190 say 327 more hai. Okay. Now clear about this three symbol. Less than means whichever number is bigger, that side we have to open your face and just grab it. Okay. Same here, both are equal. So write equal to sign. Here this one is the bigger number. I give one simple example. If I have 5 chocolate and my uncle example, have 7 chocolate and I like to eat chocolate. So I eat that 7 chocolate, right? I don't want my 5 chocolate, I eat first that 7 chocolate. That means whichever bigger numbers are there that I have to like. Okay, now our next topic. This one done. Okay. Next topic, ascending order. Now here also little bit you confused. Ascending order. Here I am giving one more example. Ascending. What is the meaning of ascending? That means I give example. If I draw here some steps. Okay? It is stairs. Dadar. So I use first I am going on first. From here I have to going upside. So first step, second step, third step, fourth step and fifth step. Right? So this one is the small number and this is big number. So here I am going to write small and here big. That means whenever you have to do ascending order, so small to big numbers you have to arrange. So small to big. Okay. First we have to write small number and then bigger than like that. See, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and then 5. Right? In ascending, first of all we have to write small number and last one is the bigger number. I am giving example here. Suppose it is 192, then 164, here 220, then 262. So now observe these all 4 numbers. Which one is the bigger number? How to compare? First of all, look at the 100 plus number. Right? 1, 1, 2, 2. So which one is the small number? Obviously 1. Here 192 and 164. Now observe on tens place number. So here 9 and here 6. That means 19, 16. Now which one is the small number? 19 or 16? 16, right? So first here answer we are going to write. First small number is 164. After that, obviously this one is 2 and 2. So this number is small. So 192. Now compare these two numbers. 220 and 262. So here first is common on 100's place, 2 and 2. Now second, here 2 and here 6. That means 22, 26. So which one is the smaller number? 22. So 220. And last one is bigger number 262. Okay? So see, it's going stepwise, small number and big number. Okay? Small, thoda big, and then finally bigger number. One more example. Same like this, 300, easy example I am going to give you. 100, 800 and 700. See now, these all numbers on 100 place are different. Now, arranging ascending order. Same pattern, same rules, small to big. Okay? First number you have to write small and then big. So for that, 3, 1, 8, 7. You have to see 100 place number. 3, 1, 8, 7. Which one is the smaller number? 100. So write here first 100. Now 3, 8, 7. Which one is the small number? 3, number is 800. Okay? This one is the ascending order of this number. How to arrange all the numbers in ascending order. Same now about descending order. Okay. Descending order. So same numbers I am going to take here because it's easy to learn. So here first one is 192, 164, 220 and 262. We have to arrange this number in descending order. So in descending order, opposite of ascending order. Now what is in opposite of ascending number means small to big. How to arrange ascending number? Small to big. Here in descending order, big to small. First number which one we have to write? Big number. That means first 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and then 1. Right? Big to small. We have to come down now. Okay? So here, which is the bigger number? 192, 164, 220 and 262. So same pattern. First digit you have to see on 100 place. 1, 1, 2, 2. So 2, 2 is bigger number. Now compare both the number. On tens place, here 2, here 6. So which one is the bigger number? 22 or 26? So 26. So this one is the bigger number. 262. Now less than this number is 220. Like this. 5, then small number 4, then small 3, then 2 and then 1. Same here. Bigger number, then smaller and then smaller number. So here now these two are remaining. So here 1 and 1 both are same on 100 place. Now compare is on tens place 9 and 6. So which one is the bigger number here? 9. So 19 and 16. Which one is the bigger number? 19 or 16? 19. So write here 192 and last one is smaller number. Okay. So 164. Now compare the answer of ascending order and descending order. Questions are both same. Here answer is 164 because this one is the small to big. Ascending order, that means small to big. And here descending order, that means big to small. So first one is 164, here the last one is 164. Right? Same 192, then 220 and last one is here first one. Because in ascending big number is coming last and in descending big number is on first. Now second, same example here, 300, 100, 800 and 700. Okay. Now here we have to arrange this number on ascending order. So in descending order, so in descending big number always first. So 300, 100, 800 and 700. It's very easy. 3, 1, 8 and 7. So 800 is bigger number. After that 3, 1 and 7. So 700. Then 300 and 100. So 300 and last one is 100. Right? Bigger number come first and smaller number always last in descending order. Okay. So clear this all topic. Number in words, number in figure, place value of number, expanded form. these both are like similar. Put the sign. These all sign less than, greater than or equal to. Then ascending order, that means small to big. And here descending order, that means big to small. Okay.